Here's what's new in aXcelerate.
Learners can now easily share their certificates on LinkedIn from their learner portal to help give more visibility of their achievements to prospective employers. You can also set your organization's details in your system settings so that certificates shared by learners can automatically link to your organization's LinkedIn profile. An overview of workshop attendance can now be easily sent through email templates to give recipients a high-level overview of which sessions have been attended by learners. This can also be used to show a summary of attendance progress for multiple learners in a single document. It's now possible to download certificates in bulk from the Certificate Register report. This allows you to collate and extract certificates from multiple courses from a single location.
Check out our Help and Support Center to read our full release notes for this month.